Kitchen isn't broken, but it does feel stuck in a different time, and the instinct is usually to replace everything. But what if you could keep the layout and completely change how it feels? Today I'm going to show you how small layered changes can transform a dated kitchen into something bright and current. Hi, I'm Sasha from HomeDesignsAI, and this is a really common type of kitchen. Good amount of storage, practical layout, but visually it feels heavy and a bit lifeless. The finishes are doing most of the damage here, not the space itself. Instead of redesigning everything, we're going to upgrade it step by step and shift the overall mood of the room. This image gives us everything we need. We can clearly read the materials, wood cabinets, older countertops, dated flooring and harsh lighting. And that's important because when you can see every surface clearly, you can improve each one intentionally. This isn't about getting our style, it's about improving what we already have. So before changing anything, we clear the space like we always do. I'm using the furniture remover tool to remove all of the clutter from the surfaces. I go in with automatic selection so the AI highlights the different objects for me, and if anything gets missed, I refine it and select it using the manual paintbrush. Now when I generate, everything I selected is removed. Now we have a clean base to work with. We redesigned first, the clutter will carry through into the final result. Now I want to deal with the biggest visual weight in the room, the cabinetry, so I'm using colours and textures. I'm selecting the cabinets and countertops. For this kitchen, I'm going with a soft warm white. Immediately reflects more light and makes the space feel more open. This removes the visual heaviness and creates contrast with the cabinets. Already the space feels lighter and more current. Next, the backsplash. I'm using Magic Redesign here because it works best when replacing existing surfaces, but we will also compare the results with the fill spaces. So I'm using this prompt right here to replace the backsplash. This is great and adds textures without adding noise. Let's see if we can get the results if we switch tools to the fill spaces tool. So I'm just selecting where I want the backsplash to go, choosing the space type, design style, and using that same prompt in the additional instructions. It has added the backsplash, but I think the Magic Redesign result looks more realistic, so I'm going to go with that one. Flooring, let's use the Magic Redesign tool for this. I'm using this prompt, so I want the AI to replace it with light natural wood flooring in a Scandinavian inspired style. This helps connect the whole space and adds warmth. Next, I'll upgrade the oven, so I'm using this prompt right here. I want it to replace the existing oven with a sleek, modern, integrated oven and stove. So here are the results. It instantly feels more built in. Now we bring the space to life. I want to style the kitchen for spring, so I want the AI to add minimal kitchen decor, including a vase of fresh tulips, a bowl of fruit, and light natural styling elements. These changes are small, but they make a big difference. Now that everything is in place, we can explore different styles. I'm using the Perfect Redesign with the structure preserved. Perfect Redesign works quite good here because there's no window, so let's try a few different directions such as Scandinavian, coastal modern, quiet luxury, modern farmhouse. Because the base is already refined, each style feels cohesive. So here's the starting point and here's where we ended up. Same kitchen, just reworked layer by layer. Key takeaway, most kitchens don't need a full redesign. They need better decisions applied in the right places. When you improve surfaces, simplify materials and layer changes properly, the whole space shifts. If you're looking at your own space and thinking it needs a full upgrade, try stepping back and identifying what actually needs changing. Focus on the surfaces first, then build from there. You'll be surprised how much you can transform without starting all over. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped.